Welcome back to this channel. As usual, I am here to give you a wonderful opportunity that you can use to start trading with. In this video, I am here to show you how you can claim a 5k profit account where you don't have to make any deposit of your own. Here, you don't have to make a payment. You don't have to make any dime. You don't have to deposit money for you to get this particular account. This 5k profit account is free, definitely free. You can get it for free. So I will be guiding you on how you can get this profit account. So do well to follow me closely, step by step, till the end of the video, so you don't miss out any details on how you can get this particular account. And as you can see showing on the screen, this is my Telegram channel. This is where I drop updates. This is where I drop new update on how you can make money online in 2025. Forex no deposit bonus, free funded account, profit account, as you can see here. So if you know you like to join this community, it's very simple. Just click on the description of this and you'll see the link right here. And for you to get the link, and also we also have a discussion group. In the discussion group, we ask questions, we talk about the accounts that we have dropped. So all you have to do is, just once you get to this channel, after clicking on join, just click on the pinned message right here, and right here we have the link to the discussion group. As you can see showing on the screen, we have a link to the discussion group active. As you can see, they've been having asking series of questions, and discussion have been growing concerning all the account that we dropped on this group. So please do well to join this group, because I no longer answer questions in my DM. Once you come to my DM directly to ask questions concerning all the bonus and concerning the videos I've dropped, I don't answer them on my DM again. All you have to do is just come to the discussion group, ask the question, and I'll be answering you. And also you can also get more information. Just join the discussion group for your questions and answers on this group. So don't forget, make sure you join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out, because they are the first sort of people that get new information. They're the first set of people that get updates concerning new videos even before I bring them on YouTube. So for you to be part of the first set of people that will hear new updates on how you can make money online in 2025, please do well to join this channel so you don't miss out. Why, before I continue, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, and if you know you are an existing viewer but you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. Subscribing to the channel will give you more leverage on the new videos I drop. Once you subscribe to the channel, you'll be aware, you'll be notified of any new videos I drop on how you can make money online in 2025. So please do well to subscribe so you don't miss out, because people on my Telegram channel, people that have subscribed to this channel, once I drop a new video, they are notified and they have access to the video faster than you that is yet to subscribe to the channel. So please, it is very important to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates that I drop from now on. So now let's head to how you can get this 5k profit account. So for you to get this 5k profit account, all you have to do is just come to this channel here. Of course, you'll be seeing something like this on my channel, on this Telegram channel. All you have to do is just click on a link like this. Then after clicking on the link like this, that's after you've clicked on join this channel. Then after clicking on link like this, then it will bring you right to the platform. That's an interface where we'll be getting the profit account. So after clicking on the link, it will bring you right to this interface right here. This is how it's supposed to be. So if you know you've created an account with Aquafunded before, you have to just go ahead and log in. And if you know you are yet to create an account with them, all you have to do is just click on create one right here. You click on this right here, then it will bring you right to this part. As you can see here, we have to open an account with them. All you have to do is just put in your full name, your email address, your password. You confirm the password and click on register now. And also don't forget to answer this right here. Don't forget to do this right here, to click that you're not a human, and after that you click on register now. I'll do mine now and get back to the video. So this is me after I've opened an account with them. So the next thing we need to do now is to log in our account so we can go into the dashboard. That's our own page of this platform. So now I'm going to log in into the account. Then don't forget to click on verify you are human. Then we're going to log in. So this is me after I've successfully logged in into my account. As you can see right here, the balance is still showing 0 and we've not opened an account yet. So for us to get this 5k profile account, all you have to do is just click on this dashboard right here. Click on it. And after clicking on it, this is how it's supposed to look like on your screen. Yeah, this is what it's going to look like. I know most of you will be expecting me to say you should click on competition. No, this account is not a competition account. It's a profile account where you don't have to pay money for you to get this particular account. So now to get the profile account, all you need to do right here is to click on aqua points here. You click on it. Still loading. And as you can see showing on the screen, this is how it should look like. These are the offers that we have here on aqua points. As you can see right here, the first one is retweet, comment and like aqua funded pin post on Twitter and you'll be getting 30 points. Comment on YouTube videos about aqua funded or review post mentioning aqua funded, that's 20 points. Then set your profile photo with the account funded logo on Twitter, that's 40 points. So these are the points in which you can use to get a profile account on this platform. So now for us to get the 5k profile account, all you have to do is just click on reward right here. Click on reward, and as you can see there are various offers on this platform. We have the 10k, we have the 25k, the 50k, then we have the one of 60% off. That's not why we are here. There are various offers. See the 100k, the 50k, the 25k, the 10k. This is the 5k profile account and the 2.5k profile account. And as you can see, if you notice showing on the screen, you will see that this is already out of stock. So I am making this video now so you don't miss out on this particular profile account, because for it to be out of stock, then definitely people are getting this offer. People are able to get this particular profile account. So in order for you not to miss on this one, all you have to do is just watch this video to the very end. Make sure you don't miss any step on how you can get this, so you'll be able to get it without missing anything and without having any problem, so you don't have to make mistake. That is why I'm employing you to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out the details. It is very important. So now looking at the 5k profile account, as you can see, you need a 700 points for you to get this 5k profile account. And as you can see showing right here, it's saying insufficient points. That's because I've not gotten the points yet for me to get this 5k profile account. It is very simple. You don't have to pay money. I repeat, you don't have to make a dime, a deposit for you to get this particular 5k profile account. So now all we need is 700 points. Now we're going to head back to the points. We're going to scroll down and head back to tasks. As you can see, tasks. Yes, these are the tasks you need to do for you to get the points. There are various tasks right here that you can use to get the points. As you can see here, post a screenshot of your MetaTrader 5 with aqua funded logo visible on Twitter and tag us. Then you are able to get 40 points. Then we have various ones right here. Participate in one free trading. As you can see, just scroll down. There are enough tasks that you can do in order for you to get this particular 5k profile account. All you have to do is just, as you can see, Instagram, share the aqua reward announcement on your IG story, and here you have 60 points. So all you have to do is just do the tasks that you can do, the tasks on this here, upload the screenshot of the tasks that you've carried out, and at the end of the day, you'll be able to get your 5k profile account. You don't have to make any deposit. All you have to do is just complete tasks right here and you'll be able to get the account. So if you know that you are not able to do the tasks right here, and you feel it's not easy for you, all you have to do is just click on dashboard. Then you can now go ahead and go to the competition account. As you can see loading on the screen, this is the ongoing competition. Then you can click on the oncoming competition right here. There are no competition available at this time, so you can keep on checking to see if they will have any competition available that you can join. But you can, aside from that, you can go ahead and do this tax right here and get your free Profem account. That is it for this video. Please, I am not entertaining any question in my DM. I repeat, I am not entertaining any question that I've explained in this video. I am not entertaining it in my DM. If you know you have questions concerning this, you can ask in the discussion group. The link will be on the description of this video. You can go to my Telegram channel, click on the pinned post, and you will be able to get the link to the discussion group. It is very, very important. Ask your questions there and you'll be answered. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Before I go, please, I'm going to repeat, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. If you check my Telegram channel, you will see there are a lot of proofs, withdrawal proof. People are already making money from the videos that I drop, and it is very important. I want you all to make money too. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out, because once I drop a video, it is very fast. People claim this bonus fast, and at the end of the day, if you are not able to claim this bonus, it will be a very, very painful thing. That is why I'm adhering you to subscribe to the channel, so you'll be part of the first set of people to claim this account, so you don't miss out. I want everybody to make money on this channel, so please, and also do well to send this video to your friend. It will be of a benefit to them. Do well to send it to them. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.